So it's great to see Madzibaba Shanduko back from prison, and he just met President Nelson Chamisa. President Chamisa said, "A hero's welcome. It was a pleasure to welcome citizens hero Godfrey Karembera, affectionately known as Madzibaba Shanduko, and family, to our offices in Harare. A loyal, committed, and dedicated cadre, he remains steadfast and determined in the pursuit of a new great Zimbabwe within our lifetime. We extend our profound appreciation to the Citizens Welfare Bureau and all the citizens who supported and contributed to his family's welfare throughout this difficult period of persecution. Your solidarity and generosity have been truly inspiring. The citizens are organizing." So it's great to see that this is what President Nelson Chamisa said after meeting with Madzibaba Shanduko. Forget all those false things which were being peddled online. Chamisa abandoned Madzibaba Shanduko. One of the greatest leaders I admire the most and I love the most is President Nelson Chamisa, because he's a man who is deeply connected to the masses and to the people. There are certain things that man does not say publicly. And he is a man who does not go on to day-to-day basis trying to create narratives. No. He's a man who believes that true and hard work must reveal itself when the time is right. Imagine a situation everyone was hoping kuti Madzibaba Shanduko vachibuda, you will have to join ZANU-PF, or you will have to go and meet some Nikompums and do some things. But soon after his release from prison, he's meeting with President Advocate Nelson Chamisa, because to these people, vaida kuona vachamisa vari kuchikurubi, vaida kuona vachamisa vari kujere in person. But we talked about Comrade Ostalos visiting him. We talked about several comrades visiting him. You all know that Nelson Chamisa hatodi kuonekwa ikoko. He tried to visit Job Sikala. They blocked him. They did all they could to stop him. And now that Madzibaba Shanduko is out, he went straight to the offices of the president. And when you're looking at these images and these pictures, guys, this is not a man who is angry. This is a man who is happy, because he understands and believes in this struggle. He understands that this struggle will come with persecution. This struggle will come with a lot of things which you have to carry onto your shoulders. Politics, Arumega, it's not a kid's game. It's a struggle. I asked my questions, how many years did Robert Mugabe spend in prison? How many years did Emerson Wavarukutaura akanga ari mu same prison nana Robert Mugabe vachidi? How many years did they spend in prison? Did that stop the struggle? No. But they were kept in prison. It doesn't mean kuti they were disconnected from the struggle. They were connected because they were in constant communication with those outside who continued to organize. This is the same spirit I believe kuti Madzibaba does have, kuti kusungwa kwavo kana kuti kuvharwa kwavo hakumise nyaya dzeshanduko. Dzinoramba dzichienda. Ma citizens anoramba achironga. Inini, I would like to see a situation where we have a new Zimbabwe for everyone. But we cannot achieve it through harming others and character assassinations and so forth. So it's very interesting to see these people together. This is Madzibaba Shanduko and family, a wonderful moment indeed. And the people's president, Vachamisa, vachisangana navo. So for those who have been expecting otherwise, this is your response. This is what just happened. Tsamwai kushkamafa. And it will not change anything. Marvin said, thank you, Comrade President Nelson Chamisa, for recognizing and acknowledging the bravery and commitment that Madzibaba has shown. Belekezela said, welcome back, Madzibaba. I didn't know that here the jails are for innocent, while freedom and wealth is for criminals. Michael said, it's good to see him back. Better late than never, but still it's difficult to forget the painful period he was in custody. We greeted several times in the corridors of prison. Welcome back, say. Okay, so no matter the circumstances, Team Zimbabwe, we are facing a lot in our different areas. We are facing a lot. Vamwe vari kuthreatenwa, vamwe vari kupwanyirwa dzimba, vamwe vari kuvingwa usiku, vamwe vari kuita sei. It's a lot, and this regime is in panic. But inini ndiri kuti pana vachamisa ipapo ndipo patinoramba takabatirira. Mwana wese weZimbabwe ari serious about change anoramba akabatira pana Chamisa, because vachamisa ndo vane moyo wevanhu, vane moyo wekuti nyika yeZimbabwe isununguke. So right now we are in the transition period and anything can happen anytime. Whoever leads this country for the transition period must simply make sure kuti he organizes the constitution, he organizes the law so that it favors the people, not politicians and individuals. So this is it. Great job. Thank you very much, Mazimbabwe Shanduko, for standing firm despite the challenges which you have faced individually.